How to find your Instagram's block list. In this step-by-step tutorial, you will learn exactly how, so follow up with me. First, go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure that you have your Instagram app updated, because sometimes they change things up a little bit. After that, you go ahead and open Instagram. And once you do, tap right here in the bottom right corner on your profile picture. Once it takes you to your profile, tap on the three lines in the top right corner and then go to your settings and privacy. From here, you want to scroll until you find blocked right here. You can check the number of the people that you have blocked, or you can tap on the category itself and you should find every user that you have blocked on Instagram. Now you can tap on unblock to unblock the user. Here you can confirm the action, or you can just tap on cancel to cancel the operation. You can also tap here to find the accounts that you have blocked in other accounts that is linked to your Instagram, for example, your Facebook. And that is how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.